Hi, welcome to this short tutorial for Smart Invoker. This is a Unity tool that lets you run any method in your project visually without writing any code. In this video, I'll show you how to create 3 simple scenarios for a quest as an example. To open Smart Invoker window, search for Tools in navigation bar and click on Smart Invoker. Let's start with the first scenario. We want to start a berry collecting quest. I'll click the plus button to create a new scenario and name it Begin Quest. Now I search for the method that starts the quest. I found the method Begin Quest. Let's add it as a step to the scenario. We just need to click on it. Now I select scriptable object that contain quest as a parameter. That's it, now we can run it with one click. Perfect, the quest is now active. Now let's make a scenario for collecting berries. First, I'll add a method that sends a message when a berry is collected. Now, I want to run this 10 times with a short delay between each step. I go to the repeat settings, set count to 10 and delay to 0.2 seconds. Let's run it and see what happens. Nice, we collected 10 berries automatically. Now let's finish the quest and get a reward. I'll create a new scenario called Finish Quest. I'll pass parameter that finishes this quest. And we are done, the quest is finished and the player gets the reward. Now let's separately test rewarding the player with coins. I'll just create a new scenario called Player Reward and search for currency methods from my project. I will add both of methods into the same scenario. And run it. So that's it, you created 3 scenarios in just a couple of minutes. One for starting the quest, one for collecting berries, and one for finishing. Thanks for watching. If you want to try Smart Invoker, it's available now on the Unity Asset Store. The link is in the description. If you have questions, feel free to leave a comment or join our Discord. See you next time.